So we're on the way to go get breakfast. We left Jackson behind because he don't handle his hat, and now we just go get breakfast. They know where he is. We know where we are. He'll be all right, I think. Breakfast time. Boom. Watermelon.
If Maddie doesn't take it off.
She can't. Her hand is not picking up. I gotta get plate. I get reinforcement. I will have order. I will have perfection. I will have all the watermelons. Wow.
Orange passion fruit guava. Wow. So we just finished eating. They've already cleaned up some of our table. And this is the aftermath of it. Just devastation in here. Now we're gonna go downstairs to go hide some duckies.
Let's go find somewhere else. It's so much fun.
What y'all getting?
Shirley Temple.
Shirley Temple?
Extra
Wow.
cherries.
Extra cherries. What about you, buddy?
Huh? Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper?
So boring. The best. It's not boring. Look, a J.
Yeah! She found it! Woohoo! She found it! This is so much fun!
Hello. It's an edible straw. It's lime straw.
With an edible straw? Is that good?
Sweet.
She's out for lucky final! Whoa! Are you excited?
Got your own little ducky!
Wow, he's a pirate! You like it? Thank you. You like it? You can keep them for memory. You just like, I found this ducky in the sea! At the sea!
Rolling in towards the middle.
Grandma!
Grandma? Hi, baby. Grandma?
Yeah, we're looking good over here.
Grandma?
I'm making a towel thing.
Okay, we're gonna leave them with you for a couple hours, okay? We'll see y'all around.
Who is it, Kim?
I wouldn't blame you.
No, I'm not with you.
No?
And once
Oh, it's a unicorn. You can't believe it.
Look at all that. Look at Ducky. We found another ducky.
Wow!
Look at that majestic dragon looking thing.
The mermaid.
Oh, Sean, and fix it.
meeting in the middle.
Nice.
Keep on rolling. Keep on rolling.
Nope. We gotta go. We're blocking everybody's view.
Doing good. How we doing out
Sorry, y'all.
there? Doing okay? Alrighty. Now, once you've done that, you are gonna hold it just
Where's your
like
hat?
Eldwin is with that towel seam.
See, look at
on
that.
the
He doesn't want to be part of the gang anymore. He lost his hat.
Away from ya.
Wow.
Let's go. So we just hit the ducky, and now I just want to play for a second.
The ducky got into the thingy. Okay, so he's gonna be extra goal, okay? He's the keeping goal.
Referee. Okay, ready?
Refugee.
Ready?
Double Jig J. Stop it.
You done before.
Get some help.
When I was younger, my family had one of these machines for
Get
rent.
some help.
For rent. That's all I am ever played. Football.
My ball.
Go! 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 Ha! I was on fire!
So what we're gonna do after this?
We can go to the, what is that called? Obstacle court?
The rope course.
Rope course and then
Sky
we,
rope.
Sky roll when we're gonna hide Ducky up there.
You know how Duckies up
We're gonna. This is gonna be extreme mode. We're gonna have a mermaid. It's gonna be exclusive. It's gonna be like top of the line. It's gonna be like.
Dang.
I need water.
You need water?
I need to jump into water.
Oh wow. Why didn't you dress up in your bathing suit so we can go to swim?
Because I didn't think it would be this hot.
Of course it was gonna be this hot. We're still in Mexico.
I don't care.
Are we still in Mexico?
I think so.
We're the Gulf of
We're
Mexico.
in the Gulf of Mexico.
Swimsuit, and I need to jump in.
Yay! Woo!
What's on, Duck?
Always in a good mood, huh?
What you talking about?
What are you talking about?
Except when I'm falling from pride ride.
No, don't fall. Musasa, we love you. We need you in one.
Long live the king!
Yes.
Long live the king.
Yes.
Yay! He found a ducky! Whoa! What's your name, kid? What's your name? Kevin. Oh, hey! That's Kevin. What you got? Show me, show me. Oh, it's a mermaid ducky. Wow, this is special. Have fun, kid. Bye. Can I take a picture with her? Okay, Jackson, come here. Say hi. Y'all so cute. Thank you. Have fun.
So what did you just do?
I went down the slide.
Which slide did you go down?
The yellow one.
The yellow one? How much fun was that?
It was cool.
It was pretty cool?
It's kind of dark.
Real dark, huh? Would you do it again?
Kind of took a while, so no.
Kind of took a while, so no. Okay. Well, Allie's gonna go get changed so she can go up there too. Would you want to go up with her? No? And let her do it by herself. She can be all scared.
Yeah, she can be all scared.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Murder! Murder!
That's called shank a man when he down. Hold him!
So everybody just had fun playing in the little water park, going down, up and down the slides. And now we're gonna go get some more Virgin Shirley temples and some more ice cream. Yeah. What you eating there, Maddie?
Ice cream.
Look at you! You have a coolest ducky! My goodness, do you see him? Do you see a mermaid?
So we love mermaids.
Wow, this is just for you.
Yeah.
I got one too.
You
Yay!
look like a mermaid.
Yay!
When is the actual best day ever?
Maddie, you got 2 balls? You gonna be able to finish them both? Awesome. I always got 3 over here. And she looking like she's gonna finish all 3. Gavin's got his 1 and he's
Shrimp stir fry.
shrimp stir fry, and I don't think he's gonna even be able to finish that.
It's good. Okay.
Ooh, and now we got the Shirley temples.
Please and thank you.
How many subscribers?
Yeah, we do.
What y'all doing here?
Are we on YouTube? What's on YouTube channel?
Mission Fun Vacation.
Mission Fun Vacation.
Yeah.
What y'all doing here? Where's your handler?
Okay, I'm gonna subscribe.
Roll my money.
Okay.
Give me money.
Ooh. Okay, everybody gets $20, okay?
I have money. I have $20.
Monies.
Money. Okay, hold on. Maddie have $1.
Thank you.
Gavin.
I'm gonna need like a stupid card or something.
Well, Jackson is out of commission. He's waiting for the room service to unclog out his toilet. So he got turned.
Oh my! No, I didn't do it on purpose.
Yeah.
I turned my head. That was awful.
Look, he's got a video of you.
I missed it last time.
Missed it last time?
You got a tip.
Yeah, it was bad.
Woo!
I beat you.
I didn't hit it in the middle. I did like offset.
Video.
That's 2 excuses now.
That's true. I can give it up for him.
I have a boy. I have a boy.
We need more fine cards.
I have more of my bracelets. My boy.
He only got 34.
Woo! You got a Ducky!
Ducky. What color, kid? What color? I don't know. Lucky.
She got a blue one, I thought.
Oh, you got a blue.
Did you get a blue one?
I think so. I'm sorry. We
Especially if I have one more play.
Oh. There you go. Oh, get the gray one. Get the gray one. Oh, so close.
The blue one is really cool. So this game is rigged. I know it, and I know it.
Yeah!
That's a cool ducky.
Oh.
I think I got.
Whoa, y'all got so many.
Wow! Wow! This is a cool one. I love that, dude. Do you read what you mean? Yeah. Oh, that's new friend. Oh my goodness, she gave me the cool ducky.
Yay!
Thank you. This is so special. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Let me get my card. We go to the gas station.
Oh, so close.
Where's my card?
In a bit. We go to gas station.
Do you all hear that music? It's so bomb right now. Come on, green. Come on, green. Come on, green. Oh!
One more.
I need a sparkly one.
For my baby. Oh, that's a colorful one. It's a flower one.
Oh!
Oh.
Woo!